Hello, this is Dr.Ajay Kamble, practicing homeopathy in the Nagpur. Today I am going to share one case. It was the case of the rheumatism of the left side of the face, the rheumatism of the eye, rheumatism of the chest muscle, abdominal muscles, even whole of the muscles of the left side was affected and there was a severe pain. First of all, I considered the general symptoms, some of the general symptoms which was very similar to the natrum mure, and on that basis I have selected the natrum mure, but it was not given the desirable result. So, if there is no desirable result, we have to find another characteristic symptom which could be helpful for the case. So, I was in the search of the symptom, but suddenly one day I decided to do some of the pathological reports of her with that urine test. And the urine test, I have found that oxalate in the urine, and it gives me the indication, strike me, that in the oxalic acid it is written oxalate in the urine. So that basis I went through the oxalic acid and found that this kind of rheumatism was there in the oxalic acid, and the severe pain was there in the oxalic acid. So the striking point was that there was oxalate in the urine, and on that basis I have prescribed oxalic acid. And after the prescription, I found that it is a very astonishing result, that all of our rheumatic complaints get better after that. All the complaints better after that, and all of the old suppressed skin eruption over the forearm and the other parts of the body have been appear. And this is also treated by the oxalic acid, and this get better, and case is going better. So it is not necessary which symptoms will be utilized for you. You have to be always in the search of the specific symptoms, the characteristic symptoms, and which is uncommon, generally which is not found in, and it is appearing in the case. That is the uncommon things, and that is helpful for the case. Thank you very much. This is Dr. Ajay Kamble. Share my channel, subscribe my channel, like it. Thank you very much. Hello. Something more about the oxalic acid. What is there in the oxalic acid? The most characteristic symptom is the thinking aggravate the complaints. Thinking aggravate the complaints. Another thing, there is a pain in a spots like काली बीज. जो दर्द होता है वो स्पॉट्स में होता है, ऐसे 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 हाथ लगा के पेशेंट बताएगा कि ये इतना ही पार्ट में दर्द हो रहा है. The violent pain very violent in a spot, was motion and thinking of them. This is a characteristic symptom of the oxalic acid. Nervousness, tuberculosis, these are the pathological things in the oxalic acid. Sharp lancinating pain, the left lung comes on suddenly. This is also thing.